Today is February the 10th, 2010, and we got really snowed in today. They're saying this is going to be the biggest blizzard of the last decade. So let's take a look outside just to get an idea. Take a look, guys. This is our area. It's called Sailor's Cay in Staten Island, New York. It's located in the Great Kills Harbor area of Staten Island. And they did clean the road, but you can get an idea. So it's pretty crazy. So there you have it. There you have it, guys. Alright, so that was basically it. I gave you a nice tour of the amount of snow we're getting right now in Staten Island, New York. Alright, thanks for your time. Take care.